Let's dive into a world where cutting-edge AI takes polymer science to the next level. Faster discoveries, smarter designs, and greener solutions. Get ready because the future is here, and it's even more exciting than finding that bonus fry at the bottom of your takeout bag. Polymer engineering has always been about designing and developing materials that make our lives easier. Traditionally, this field relied on the good old trial and error method. But thanks to data science, AI, and machine learning, we can now bid farewell to guesswork and say hello to precision and efficiency. So why is data so important in AI/ML applications for polymer research? Imagine being able to predict the properties of new polymers, like tensile strength or thermal stability, without even synthesizing them. AI models can do that. For instance, predicting the glass transition temperature, TG, for various ABS polymer formulations, or estimating the UV resistance of ASA composites is now a breeze. Next up, optimizing manufacturing processes. With AI, you can monitor and control variables like temperature and pressure in real time. This means fewer defects, less waste, and way more efficiency. It's like having a personal assistant, but for polymers. Now let's talk sustainability. With the world drowning in plastic waste, AI and ML are stepping up to the plate. Imagine a world where plastic waste is a thing of the past. We're getting there, one data point at a time. And how about accelerating the discovery of new polymers? High-throughput techniques generate massive data sets, and ML can sift through this data to find new material combinations. Think smart materials and self-healing polymers, stuff straight out of a sci-fi movie. Quality control is another biggie. Data from production lines fed into AI algorithms can predict defects in real time, ensuring high-quality output. Say goodbye to rework costs, and hello to consistent product quality. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of polymer engineering, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Catch you in the next video.